Oh yeah.
Say Willy Shigazeni. Ashigazeni kuna derama. Yes, para mirila.
Kule buise too much. Kule buise akagaza guys. Ile kantsamwisi.
Hala ilesha labanyamalala bangwana hala.
Angene ngijuze nesibara. According to when you think like after trekele yami ngaheta kuyitwa seswa. Baba Rhulani na Philani ka harba lava va nga ta tirha swin'we ku ya mahlweni.
Mara okay ku languta ka mina sibara ni Philani munhu un'wana la nga va patient too much na Papa Rhulani.
Okay,
so it's unpredictable, yabo. He seems to be a guy who understands, you know, and at the same time for him ani Steve kwakundeka at the back cause Papa Rhulani ku yuma ku tala loko uzivula ku va ku ri na nyimpi una ku gigi dimetwa nyimpi maka ko
vanhu lava vo vulavula ntiyiso ene vanhu vo
ku bwa nyimpi ku bwa xitele xa serious byeriwa phaku ya wasisa Papa Rhulani yale. So alaka Philani I think is somebody kuna vanhu lava vo bazonda drama bazonda
like and I was saying munhu ximbilwana according to like behavior wena yena loko ni monitora online.
Ntiyiso. So antivi ku nga endleka yini at the end of the day ko ka gazes va kuna drama na
yeah cause ka ngoma leyi ku vulavuriwa swo tala timhaka to mali ya tigigi yi nga lunghisa timovha a Rivoni
wasisisa. And this one is leswi Philani anga huma as address back in the days ka ku huma mama va ri marivoni hina hi switiva hi nga ri kona but Philani vi ya huma a teka video a kombana ku swa vavisa, you know, na mina swi twisisa ani swi
a vula ku yi maka ku yena engheneni kumbe xana
maka ku anga kona Dragwa hi ku ya yena anga kona se ani swi tivi yena anga dispute ku maka Rivoni a icon yena i tirha anga swi tivi swa Rivoni.
Okay,
antivi mi nga va nkani miscode okay tatenga ka heleyo
bona ni lava ku chopa something very quick ne ngome ku mbutsa vanhu lava 5 i manager KO kare manager ka Spanish Vest ne do you get where I'm going
nokutwa kahle sinene ngopfu vuenti.
So anistisisi ku wa insha important ku like as a Philani i manager insha important ngo show yena fanekele ava a ri kona ka display yeah in like
this thing so I feel like if I ne langutisa ku Philani akuri munhu wanjani before managing.
Okay, I think like andla Bathu or something.
I die Bathu on John.
No,
mungalo ku Bathu semperantse ka tama lava nga ku doing ka timali na overs.
So far says ubeja Bathu as for living no on a group ka Facebook le ku ngana vanhu va mu landzelelaku avanika ku tips yeah as like bona video ngakhanivo gagashi ka adikadi vula so Bathu na yo ingescot year 1 fana no mela ba certificate I don't know what's happening cause the next thing vana va swin'we jigi va holova
that's all kuna drama yin'wana kulukumba ngola honestly mara nga ku va hisala one sometimes to stay relevant you should behave as such loko munhu wa artist you should behave, you should be dramatic somewhere because
somehow
yeah okay like I long the RIP to Mampincha ne.
Okay,
but if you look at Mampincha and Bepso Dumo, those guys they would cause drama
if you gonna court
you know
I remember
and you stay relevant once you're on the chats people wanna see you Mampincha ku humelela yini Bepso Dumo ku humelela yini you go live and then if you come maybe a YouTube channel that person becomes the highest person on the chats ya ku kumbula yena the views lokuru kuna risimu leranga drop vanhu vo tala va the artist va tirhisa this thing it's more like a celeb stunt it is this thing
marketing yana
then we watch TV okay the group necessity did something crazy we like drop album you search about Nestis. What happened to Nestis?
The more you search, the more Google search you refer a bit to
yeah, and when it refers the name, that means if there are new projects that were dropped, you land on it.
Tango.
Right, but in terms of him being on the
on the spotlight as a
I feel like that one is gonna hurt him more, because should anything go wrong, you know, to Papa Rhulani. Okay, no cap. Me, I appreciate Philani for
big time,
no, yeah, not in a personal level. I don't know his personal life.
He's doing a very good job.
But he's done the most info for that guy. For I don't know, I didn't get a little before one, but let's I don't think Khalanga Susaka Bamaboko, you know.
Right.
Hey, that man he pushing he condelerine for lekere in the right Kuba producer seminary Marisbon in Papa Shatupa she said she embo. Now this is one but in Yamalarin man. Before go marisi ka gig akurna gig xin'wana a ni swi tihala ka
anga atsendangi gig.
Yeah, it's like ingaku Papa Rhulani ingaku ihlanganise gig yin'wana.
Okay.
Na wabona mina wesiswani na ku manager ne loko ni ku manager me nhlanganisa ti gig tinghena vami kumbe xana loko ti ta ka wena hi nawu leswi ni tivaka swona loko ri ku na agreement ya right loko ti ta ka wena yi nga ti teka, but I must be aware ku ni kota ku swi tiva ku okay as a manager ku inge accept gig ya so hi mhaka ku na liya
ti nga kuma ti
clutch kuma ku ti clutch na minkarhi wabo. That's how it should be. Mara nga ku Papa Rhulani ko arrange gig nga ku organize gig Philani kume gig ka ndhawini yo karhala ka Malamulele, then Papa Rhulani with someone outside, let's not twist us oka video liya Philani with someone she organize a gig kutla chamkari and then bar phela loko sindekisa sweswo but she demanda na zaka laku hey hakela wasisi se nga ku vanhu lava se leswi a xi vurisa swona ku va xi hakela lava xi nga organize gig kona ku hele ku va mhaka ya ku se va contacta Philani ku phela Papa Rhulani ile ku hi fositeleni nga ku hi fane hi release zaka agent and anga se ta hi se hilanga ku Philani no hleketelela leswiwani ani sure because nga ku Philani yi twe ka Philani info ya ku va ri Papa Rhulani a requesta ma so no hleketa ku maybe va nga va hele va swi vona phela moisa loyi maybe process ya vona yo hakela ta artist maybe va nga humesa deposit then artist ta deliver and then va pfala kumbe xani, you know. So anti kumbe xani a ta hi mhaka ku swile ka siku rero after performa loko a heta va n'wi nyika package
ava but it's rare as artist like u famba uya perform
without a budget
kuma mali after loko heta kuna
isfanso kuma budget no for mali wa king una dirisa mole ro 15 rand Wait, 15 rand hey king and that is hey the artist ta
we for performance
eri rambile kwinda yokukwala Limpopo va charge va faka ti invoice eri mfulo ka ta perform ingena 15 rand ka account asikwate ku daya randi xika va mpathe 15 rand.
I'm sure that's him loko wonzima ku hakela 15 rand a na mali na wena as artist already u le kuzuleni that's why papa na payo ba ku hakela 15 rand bas ngendli chumu iso
no ngitise phela impo phela la ku ba ku tirha na mali ya transport ni sure la perform kona u nga ri 15 rand a wu isang next na de yo kuna la ku loko wa ri artist loko I kha ita as an artist ifika la kuna la perform for free because you still hustling. And then kuna la say kuma gain respect liya wabona ya daman sha pusha and then se loko if ani ya perform kun'wana ba ku fonela ba khwira ku swivanja no loko ri na manager I va refer ka manager and then manager kuna la kumbe xana kuma ku hela because this stages this thing is growth wabo kuna lava kuma ku vele va blow up va sunga ku dya vo Papa Rhulani ya va kuma ti gig to hakela ta serious mara kuna la ku I growth kuna lava kuma ku I growth sungula la ku performa free enyikwa at least nkarhi stage
that performance ya free nga chicha vutomi bya wena
too much wabona and then people and shout out to those guys who are still pushing in that way wabona ifika ka position leyo maybe you gain a respect kuna host manager maybe isami hansi kwala ka show yakubona and then itala wena ayisitivi kona phela perform for free aniswi arrange wena nalo host akho then ebese ita ikubutisa and then isungula kucharge maybe transport step by step just like that and then ifika la charge yakho so it's like that and mara this is something that as artists ayisulave we want an overnight thing. I guess that's why I say couldn't the talks kumbe mahemhem yakuveri kuna kukenda kendas. And of which I feel like it's
hey man, but what's new man? The shoes, what's the shoes?
Yo, Khalanga, mwana madala. Hey, shout out to Khalanga, that tegi my guy.
Yo, it looks like it looks like a replicant of a relay what though.
A relay? A relay shoe? Serious?
A relay shoe, yeah. Is it not the same kicks you wearing? It's not the same thing. But like, it looks like a replicant, yeah.
And say check sharp. Mara, maybe it could be the heel. I think in money like a heel landa
kunefunga kufamba rubber so.
Rubber, yeah. I think most of the sneakers are doing that, man.
Yeah, it's fashion.
It's fashion. Mara, one way or the other for that thing
yeah, but that's a good complaint when in terms where take yourself as stupid if like you wore the kicks because it's already written somebody's surname over there and then you are Xitsonga and then you are wearing Khalanga. The thing like it's
Mara,
fair.
It's not right, M4. It's not right. Uloku mbalen kati Fila, uloku mbalen kati Puma, uloku mbalen kati Nike, the Gucci. Somebody has to start that thing. Check on your Gucci, check on the history there. To me, I take it as a Tsonga person, right? As a Tsonga person. Khalanga, I just send a message now. I'm just sending a message. I am proud of what you did. Putting us on the map.
So you're saying do you take it as like a uplifter?
Yeah. And for Baloy Ayakaba, Baloy le Dianten. How many Baloys are there outside?
There are lots.
Ibangan and the Kumakunaba Baloy Lavo Kumakver Mashak. Naminane, Kashibongo Shakayan. I know Kushibongo Shakayan, Nashko Kumayan. Marikumakulo no trace Mashaka. Maybe Sungashaka le cool. Wait, is this? But at the same time, loko wena irwaka Baloyi kwaleni itifiki complainer ibona Khalanga I complain ibula yini
like how far ti uzi kuwa timbala
every time yeah kwa ntango yofumala bitu nonde hambi thomi bitu
yeah it's just
ilokumbale kubele kumbale ndawo yakusebesebeni
yeah
what is the meaning na mess the price ibitu
hey wadeloko abalabla yi Khalanga nati yone did you know very who's Likao, the drip, founder of drip.
Yeah,
Did you hear that the brother escaped the country? It's like the drip shop is closing down.
Why did you run away?
Those people are not getting salaries. Their rents are not being paid. It's like he managed to open the stores and pay for a few months and then... I don't know if there are allegations.
Business?
Yeah?
Is it a failed business?
It's a sort of like a failed business, but it's like it's not longer pay rents.
But
so I saw this other
business,
video on TikTok where they were picking the store. They were closing down.
No, but that's sad, man. It's not good news, but
it's not good.
As more especially because now you're talking about people's salaries. You know how to go a month without a salary. Once you start working a man year, as moon. Every clock account, you start having responsibilities now. You understand? And then that month leave kakutula.
Ukuma break ukuma break lo ukuma job. Yeah. No kangala big job.
It's very nice ku inga landi batsari or whoever was like taking care of you but I just wonder what happened. I feel like maybe it was a failed business. It was too much hype, I guess. Like that's why unless if maybe he just saw the money there and never realized that no, you know what, let me just charge the money.
He bought a lot of cars, man, for deliveries and stuff. He have cars, trucks
for deliveries to the stores.
Yeah, I don't know what is.
But like this thing is about business is so business. Look for business, you must be real. And to be honest with you, if I never real, in a full business and then, so remember this phone, man. Back in the days, there used to be this phone, BlackBerry.
A BlackBerry.
They used to do this thing, so BIS. Is it BIS or what?
BBM.
BBM, but no, there was a data that you would get, a monthly data.
For what?
For your chats, Facebook, for your social nets.
For socials, ne?
You understand?
Okay.
It was overdone. It's more like they offered like they offered a service that was out, like it was above their revenue, like their gain.
Okay.
So it became a loss. It was a
They
business
offered
that
more
ran
than
on
they
the
can
loss.
afford.
Exactly. In simple terms, offered more than what they could afford.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
So that itself, I don't know if maybe the guy would rip. It was a case like that, you know. But I feel like you can see it in a long run. Nakusubana, in a long run, you could have closed a few of them, not all. Because be honest, to give an example, they are business analysts, right? But analyze the business like you audit your income, your profits. You see, okay, now we're running on the loss, and you're able to predict by this time if by paysley. Was to says, or if maybe we improve la. But if you have the resources to improve, implement it. You know, we cannot judge because we don't know what happened. But I'm just saying, in case this is the case. So, or if maybe was one okay, you don't have the requirements or resources to do what needs to improve the business, then you just see, okay, allowed to lose not everything. Go to your staff if kiba. Look at their people nakola perform better. Keep your best performing staff, right? Retrench lava kuma Google avele performing, you know. A retrencha ebanyiketa their packages, you know. Cut down or about ya follow the stores that guys, we're no longer managing. I'll give you your package.
And then uksala the stores letting are busy.
Usala letting are busy. To give an example, your Joburg is like because areas matters as well.
Sending
stuff like that.
The major malls also.
Yeah, it's and then observe. Then when it picks up again, you can reconsider to go and reopen.
Small.
Stuff like that, man.
Hey.
So reality, it's sad, man. It's sad, and yeah, I
hope
because
the got the socials. That guy vanished.
Gone.
Yeah, it just vanished.
And it's been a while, very.
Yeah. Even like at Twitter, he used to trend on Twitter.
About persistent,
yeah.
Like no, what is said, man. No, I puna guys look look on a business idea. If there's someone like a Gaza, anga like a business analyst, lot to see beans, the idea. Let's share, man. And you know, even if we can have an interview, you know. We share the ideas and we learn. The problem is with us people, we don't share. But yeah, I understand, but don't share your recipe.
Success. Your recipe to success.
Just like KFC, we don't know spices. But if you share KFC Mpumalanga, Suga share KFC, Kruger's Dop or Limpopo, it's the same. Sure. But I wanna give credit to the KFC Kuna Kral and Wana Madal. Kuna Kral KFC.
What happened?
KFC, I give them a credit. Whoever, info, the time and time their service is on par. Info,
on point, you know.
Info,
drive through or inside.
Whether drive through or inside, their meat is you fini.
Yeah.
And no longer shaba KFC pap or sweet shaba KFC. Let's second vendor on Xitsonga. I'm telling you, there's a difference. Shout out KFC, yeah done and there's and even if no ima, even in Ngaywood, kuna KFC one a Joburg. We drove through that day. He blind the menu.
Oh yeah, I think it's here.
But
I remember
that place
for almost like 45 minutes.
You understand? But Nkuna Kral, whoever was managing there, you know your job.
And it's busy that side.
Yeah, my guy.
And it's busy in fact.
I'm gonna cry him for you. Auntie, I like to want to shop, but I believe maybe culture,
yo, I've been meaning to say this, ne? I'm thinking like if like korna namon angakubonene ne, and then alaba like one time or one day loko a ri na nkarhi a lava ku ta a ta chopa na hina you can just reach out to us.
Yeah. Best way mara ayifane ingasiya yini nishanga contacta ka sho ku comment sometimes comment ngakumaku as time goes there lati tala too much isandzeka ku
yeah masibo channel ile kule ni shim xin'wana xo hlamarisa
mativa
masibo
so straight so antivi ku ingasiya I organizing on the next episode or next one if I never come our either WhatsApp, email,
how about the Philati as for channel not the social style?
Exactly. That's what we've been discussing. So muno etakota no DM.
Yeah.
So DM etavana vele attendance yato.
If una story, if una confession, una swin'wana u stiva ku twa ku nga ri like sifanekele so huma ka public vanhu va stiva. Next episode umeka sure ku ayibona ta make sure ku yi beka so connectana isona you want to like ku choporate ne Ben Mayengani just open a political party. Just tell me how what do you think about that?
Ala ku kubuza ukuthi what political party tingathalele popo.
What's the name again? Is it
AAD? Is it AAPD or AADP?
What's it? Do you have
Alliance?
My phone? I had my phone somewhere.
What is that? Where's my other phone?
Can you check it on the net?
Let's Google Matiwa Tot.
Because I saw the other day I saw him, he was on Morning Live, and then they asked him, how are you planning to finance this political party? He said, Ninkambe minantake.
With confidence.
This is Xitsonga legend.
That's a legend, but with what he has done, hey, inget even for the Austish commercial moon. You see now his house is very beautiful. I want
that's a mall.
A mall, Olu.
Yeah.
And we character Ben Mayengani again. Ben Mayengani is a bari. Emuno okwata ne logumfuka. Ay muno la kufukiwa Ben Mayengani. Itakuzeletela, but this other time I don't know if you will remember. I'm still say please search as I talk.
Okay.
If ke wahleketa yakaya and then if ka hlangana incident ya mova nyana ubana problem.
Oh, yeah. I found Makubas Kloof. Is it Makubas Kloof?
No.
What do they call it?
Skopo.
Yes.
And then we decided to via straight via Giyani. Kuna la man barileka maphalule or maphali mara kutsaro ku maphali ayina no tiva valungu lava fika va ndza ku tiboto kasi mana ndza ku tiboto letiwaye wasibona ku ri le ka maphalule ri maphali kumbe xana hi wrong swi nga endleka ku ri maphali you know, but yeah, so that man if ka kuma da info shifka aka driver he pulled over. I don't know if you remember. That's why now vanhu lava leswi swi vona ka social media sometimes it's not the reality ya vanhu correct. I got a different energy from Ben Mayengani, guys.
First time
ni vona Ben Mayengani. It was my first time ni vona in a close range and I had a word direct ni vulavula na yena as I nga vulavuli ku Ben Mayengani as an artist I vulavula ku ebot ku humelela ni movie.
Yeah.
What is this? I refer guys via ndawo ya so and we got help. Atayizela munhu ari na yena he was a mechanic.
Achika move na itsovekini matlhelo ka patu and then bona aba hinda hi latlhelo ka hi.
He stopped.
Yeah.
Angantivi mina Ben Mayengani. Hi manti va Ben Mayengani. Do you understand?
And it's crazy because ala ka bona Ben Mayengani he can be himself.
Yeah, what if
he can be Bennett Baloyi beside Ben Mayengani. And then batang tsika munhu angena makuleni angena kwi.
He had like a heart-to-heart talk.
Oh, the political party is called AADF. What does that stand for? I've been trying to search.
So stuff like that.
So,
but with your target, Ben Mayengani, what you're doing, I hope you know, so a political party, and I hope ukubana namboshe get the low laveka kuona. And mina I just pray ku so nga jiki swindanga kumbe sham selfish.
Yeah.
Because most of the leaders, I'm get advice Ben Mayengani, he knows his doing, path and what he's doing, and I hope ku ita wana to support us obviously because ibeni Mayengani. You understand? You love like munhu loyi anga ka xitulu xin'wana kumbe ka xiyimo xin'wana xa le henhla already. That guy
na vaseketeri va yena munhu leya already.
That guy na vaseketeri ene antivi ku yini political party leyi
ADP.
Mara ADP. Isuvurini ka that loko mo searcha yini a ku ri ka yini ingula yini ngula ya vutivi rini.
I don't know, maybe I'm so ngula ya vutivi or between Morning Life or
ngula ya vutivi. Mia cheka evurini in a political party name in full ku ivula yini Ben Mayengani ministry ni new rival because it's a new thing we still getting to know it.
2 weeks, yeah. It is 2 weeks.
But I want to say something about this guy before he rap, Ben Mayengani is one of the artists lava banga maintain nande. I would say ikaspanyo vest kumbe EKO wale ka Gaza latest angase vulavula hi ti divo dokotela Thomas Chauke leta ti legend ne ti legend ku khale they've been doing it no vulavula they've been in the industry
aba approve
chum and Ben Mayengani I feel like Nena is in that stage now. Correct me if I'm wrong because emfo xi sale xia loko xi fika la xi performa kona kuna ku va nga performa ma loko se xi nghena ka stage kuna ku wisiwa ka tisimbi leti ti pfala ku ti control.
It's called shutdown.
Yeah, va fika va nghena va pomela la.
Yes sir.
What it says a shout out. I know there are new artists I underestimate one lava nga ku teni va J John ba man ba Papa Rhulani. You understand? Papa Rhulani is talented by the way. And I feel like if he was a chilled guy ne focusing
on his work.
You understand? I just don't know ku engage judge and Steve ku yini kuze aba hyper that way but guys we hope mina in my judgment I would say ku anta ku Papa Rhulani he should be chilled atumbeta personal life ya yena you know ya loko adakwini loko I'm just saying aspenda na munhu wa yena na swa tinete ta tinsuna anga sume. I'm just saying it's not necessary ku everyone guys I'm telling you the artist letwa tina vutomi Papa Rhulani, we love your music and your talent but please man hide such things. We don't have to know that man because loko check ne that guy there's a difference from when he blew up and now. Mina Papa Rhulani loya loko a blow up now siswan even bambiri vo hambana. Why am I saying this? That time ani swi tiva ku wa no byala nge kaneti ne mara scandal anga swi
na scandal ne
so no kuna scandal swi nga swi tele
se aka home music ku ma
scandal and unless if maybe that's a stunt
marketing yeah
but I feel like it's overboard.
It's too much
it's too much no. And I feel like also kuna leswo so ko ansi ko se swan baranda ku drama ane mara kuna sweswo so va ku you become irrelevant ani ku sheli ku va irrelevant mean but I'm saying ku swin'wana swi nga endliwa na hi swiendlo leswi swi ndaka so because it's still relevant now swi tsemi
man va karhala
and na n'wina mi swi tiva Papa Rhulani na character njhani tshika ni teka ti video vanhu va xikwembu mo lava ti views na get something useful mi tshika dama mi ta onhela.
Not like banga stop kuinana but like even a positive swilo misfollow beside so negative.
I know because I feel like sometimes na vanhu lava va nga around va le ku mushini anga hembi Philani to say ku vanghana va ta n'wi onhela. You understand? And it's still Philani so ngandeka Philani maybe there's a selfish side yabo yo ka nga vona ke go sibona ya Philani ile ku itiveni utlo leswa nga ku simbeleleni ka ngoma leya a is TV I na prove ya
because it keep a personal life
when it comes out if is this
I tika itiva lesi I fanekela ku itiva so
that's the nice part artist ifane indaswes
other than that no singanyani mfaneke mlava Ulaso
ngwana bote se o gimeta ngwana bote hello gimete leyo mtisela suswa kahle misitwini na n'wina ende comment na n'wina swin'wana kwala hansi na ti-topic leti mi nga tsakela ku hi ti-touch.
I think ku hi chopese swo tala ngo in such a way like na n'wembe na mavonele man'wena ka ti-topic hinkwato leti hi nga vulavula tona a hi nga vulavuli ku nyadza or swin'wanyana a hi vulavula mavonele ya hina
and swi nga endleka mi kuma ku mavonele ya hina ka n'wina a ma fiki ma ri ti-fact ku ri ti-opinion loko mi swi twa ka hi vuli swona please hayi mo khomenta kwalahansi i ti-opinion na ti-facts leswi nga hlangana ndhawu yin'we and swi ta swi ri na respect andzeni yimanyana ni ku byela tale mbilwini ya mina yimanyana ni ku byela tale mbilwini ya mina mbilu ya mina u winile ya mbilu ya mina